Imagine a person who was sitting in his deathbed in his last time. Immediately, someone asks, if you will get one more chance to live, what you would do? Then he said, I would love to live my life fullest for my own self. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we all are like that. We most of the time wanted to do a lot, but we didn't do. And we when we are in our last time, then we have that regret why we haven't lived our life. So try to live your life right now without any stress, tension or anxiety. When we live today, then we will feel good tomorrow. So with this attitude, I am trying to do work for myself. I remember earlier I was also like that. I was thinking a lot. I have to do this, I have to do that. I had big dreams, but I was not taking action. Because of that, I was feeling bad. I was making resolution or breaking resolution. Then I started thinking like that. No, with imagination, I cannot get anything in my life. If I take action, if I do work right now, only then I will become better in anything. So I decided to take small steps, started taking small action. Because of that, whether I'm good at right now or not, but I know where I have started my journey, how, what type of person I was that time, and how I am right now. I am totally different, and awareness is the first step to progress. Awareness is the first step to change, to grow. So we always have to take that first step right now. If we are not changing, we are not growing. So it's our duty to do work for ourselves. I am trying to become better version of my life, and for that I am taking action. I am trying to implement the skills, and I came to know with my own experience that when we are trying to consume everything, then we are just consumer only. We are not able to improve. We just have to apply that minimalism. Try to do something specifically if you want to grow in your life. For example, I want to learn public speaking skills, but when I try to listen everything, and trying to feel like that I'm good at, I can do it, I can't. But if I am trying to focus on my mind, with my particular things, and then trying to learn from the subject matter expert, then, and also applying also. If I'm just consuming, nothing happened. But when I'm applying, initially I face difficulty, but when I do something again and again, then definitely I become better in my own work. So, consistency is the key to success, and repetition is the mother of any skill. Consistently do work for yourself, and repeat and repeat, right kind of thing. Whatever you feel it's good for you, repeat that things and become better version of yourself. No one can forcefully tell you to do. You yourself have to take that action for yourself and become only, on when you change your habit, you change your life. So observe, first of all observe where you are doing what mistake, then do work for your betterment on that way. And when you do work, you will definitely become better. Be positive always and take one step ahead. I'm trying to improve, trying to become better version of myself, and trying to think about what's my goals, and on whatsoever goal I have, I'd love to become specific, clear or detail on that particular goal. In this way, I'm working hard to improve, to grow. What about you? Thank you.